data is the ratio of the number of times an event occurs to the total number of trials. This is that new thing where I said if it's already happened, you have to use what actually happened, not what should have happened. Compound event consists of two or more simple events. Now, example 1 says the probability that a wristband is defective is 1 out of 2. Defective means broken. In a case of 840 wristbands, how many would be defected? Defected? I think that should be defective. So what is, when it doesn't say expect or predict, but we are predicting. So you're going to set up a proportion. And on one side goes the probability. What is the probability of the wristbands being defective? 1 out of 2. So 1 is your top number, 2 is your bottom number. On the other side, you have X and 840. When you solve that proportion, you are going to find out how many wristbands are defective. Number 2 says, based on a sample survey, a company claims that 75% of their customers are satisfied with their products. Out of 1,176 customers, how many would you predict to be satisfied? Satisfied means happy. Or content. So you have 75%. Percents go over 100. And your new total is 1,176. So first you are going to multiply 1,176 times 75. And get this really big number. And then to solve that equation, you're going to divide by 100. Dividing by 100 is easy when you have zeros. So X equals 882 customers. Drake made 14 out of 20 free throws shots. About how many of the next 30 would you expect him to make? There's that word expect. So our probability is 14 out of 20. Our new total is 30. Solve that proportion. Talia plays a board game with a friend. She uses a frequency table to record the results of each roll on a standard die. If Talia and her friend continue to play the game and roll the dice 65 times, how many times would she expect for her friend to roll a 1 or a 2? There's that word expect, which tells you you're using a proportion. You're going to do it 65 times. And you want to know rolling a 1 or a 2. We rolled a 1 4 times and rolled a 2 twice. So altogether, that was 6 times. Now, we don't know how many times they rolled to make the table. So you're going to have to do some work to find that out. Let's see, 10, 26. And then you're going to multiply 6 times 65. (26 times x), and then 390 divided by 26.